Hello, all. My name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to select specific columns in a data frame. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this. So as I told you, we'll see how to select a specific columns in a data frame. Okay, so first what we'll do is we'll try to import pandas as pd. We'll try to run this particular cell for data pre-processing. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll try to read the CSV file. Data frame is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV. Okay, so I have already uploaded a CSV file in my Jupyter notebook. Okay, whose file name is data.csv. Okay, so now we'll try to run this particular cell. Okay, so now we'll see data frame. Okay, so this is the data frame which I have already uploaded in the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so now what we'll do is, okay, so here you can see various rows and columns like ID, diagnosis, radius mean, radius underscore mean, texture underscore mean, perimeter underscore mean, and so on. Okay, and now suppose if you want to select specific rows, suppose if you want to select area underscore mean, or if you want to select compactness, you want to select concativity underscore means now what you have to do is we'll give it as df1 data frame 1 is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. See, these are all very basic, guys. See, why I am doing all this, because this will really help you for your data science interviews. Okay, so when you go for any data scientist interview, they will ask only about basics and they will ask more about basics. Okay, so these kind of basics will really help you for your data science interview. Okay, so now what we'll do is, here we have to give our CSV file name data.csv. okay, and now suppose if I want to select these two columns, texture underscore mean and perimeter underscore means. So suppose if I want to select only these two columns, means here what we have to do is, here we have to give use columns is equal to, and here we have to give the name of the column. Okay, suppose if I want to select these two columns, here what we have to do is give name of the specific column, comma, and suppose if I want to select this column also, means I have to select this. Okay, just try to copy that, and now we'll try to run this particular cell. Okay, and now suppose if I run this particular, after running this particular cell, and if I try to explore means, so here you can see only two columns has been selected, texture underscore mean and perimeter underscore mean. Okay, and here the one more thing is, here you can select any number of columns. Okay, here you can give see, here I have selected only two columns. Suppose if you want to select one more column, that is also you can do it. I will just try to do that also. Just try to select compactness underscore mean, and we'll try to run this particular cell, and now if I check data frame 1, here you can see the three columns has been selected. Okay, this is how you select the specific columns in a data frame. So this will really help you whenever you are attending any kind of data science interview, so where they will ask you some kind of very basics question, like you are given a data frame, and if you want to select specific columns in a data frame, is how you will do it. Means you can do it in this specific. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel and please do hit the like button if you really like this particular video. Okay, so see you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.